Got Andre on his 8th meal of the day.
Come on, man. I gotta keep up with my 130 pounds. Somehow.
Gotta eat 130 bananas a day. This guy's gnarly on his eating habits.
Just 2 bananas a day, man.
Yeah.
You're exaggerating. You're
I
making
don't know,
me look
man.
so fat.
You kind of eat like a monkey sometimes. Okay, so we're on our way down to the creek. It is the day before a big storm hits, and we've had enough rain to top it off, and it's just started overflowing and flowing naturally. And this is probably going to be the last creek break for a very long time because it's about to absolutely rain cats and dogs. So as we were down there watching it just flow over the berm, that Jackson Tenny kid rolled up, and he just happened to time it perfectly. I think he's going to be in store for a good creek break. He just is in town for a couple of days and got very lucky with his timing on this one. So we're going to go try to ride a couple waves with the good old Juke squad, and hopefully we get some rideable waves before it's too dark. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty dang dark by the time it gets going. So we will see what we can do. Anything else?
I'm sorry, Blair. It's such shaky hands. I'm gonna start filming this because it's kind of annoying me.
Last but not least.
Nice. Okay. So why'd you find it so entertaining to ride this thing?
It's like the most rippable skimboarding wave ever. Feels like a knife cutting through butter when you're riding a glassy standing wave, and it's not anywhere else. There's not too many places in the world you get to enjoy something like that. So there's definitely a novelty of it. This thing's freaking, it's already rideable. Sorry, I'm getting too excited. Take a deep breath. It's already very rideable. We have Jackson Tenny down here, a good bodyboarder, Craig Wetter. My heel feels a little funny. And I think we're in for a real treat. It's gonna be a really rippable river wave. I like riding this thing so much because for a skimboard, I think the skimboard is the ideal board for riding this kind of wave. It's not a very deep wave, so having fins doesn't work super well, and also having the resistance of fins doesn't work great either. So
It slows you down too much.
slows you down and creates so much drag that you'll kind of get swept off the back of the wave. But the skimboard just feels magical on it. This is gonna be a magical creek break. We've got about 20 minutes before it's too dark. I'm gonna go set up a time lapse with this GoPro, throw it on the railing.
Oh, there. Look at that thing. So cool. How's it looking so far?
That's just natural.
Yeah.
Here goes Craig.
Craig's a really good bodybuilder. One of my favorite drives. Dang.
How's your first ride on the creek?
Yeah, dude.
The guy did good. He's a
Hell
natural.
yeah.
You got a good one on.
He's a creek natural.
That was my first time. I've been coming here for what, like 15 years?
No, I can't believe you. That's your first river ride. That's pretty insane. You're welcome to the Creek Creature team. Oh.
Oh, haven't seen you here in a while.
I know, it's been a while.
How you timed us so well?
I know. I was just driving by. Got lucky.
There's like a automatic roof view with the waves coming in.
Oh, I know. It's like a washover.
Yeah.
The tide's getting higher, so it's not that good for a creek break when the tide's getting higher. But there was so much water in it today, it still broke. That was a good one.
Yeah, that was a really good one.
Super fun one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, buddy.
Hot showers, man.
Yeah.
That's what we need up.
Get some freaking peroxide going.
Where's Blair?
We're waiting for this guy to eat his snacks.
Dude.
This guy's...
Yeah, only because he burned 2,000 calories yesterday riding his bike. Which is crazy. I couldn't do that if I
He didn't
tried.
bike today, though.
Oh.
Dude, my day off, man.
You gotta rest someday, right? I got your back, Andre.
Thank you very much.
Jack's so tired.
His first time.
It just takes so much energy to ride that thing. Just to stand right here.
Oh, I'm like tired.
Just to stand here.
It's
You
like
just...
a conveyor belt.
Yeah.
Gnarly.
That's why I stand up top now. I've learned, like, I come up on the berm and I don't burn any energy.
Yeah, that's smart.
Here, I'm like constantly battling.
Yeah. It's like quicksand. Yeah. The sandbar can be insane right now.
Oh! Still going. Kind of gnarly, huh?
Dude, that was sick.
I want to hurt my knees a little bit. Hurt my heels and knees. I'm glad I landed that thing though. That was sick. I think that's all she wrote.
Yep.
We'll go get a couple words from Jack and
Yeah.
call it a day. Later, Greg.
Later,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Good to see you.
Surprise collab.
Dude, how was that? You just walked up. First thing, walked
First
up
thing.
and the creek was just going.
20 minutes after I got here, we're riding.
Yeah. Flew all the way from Florida for this.
Yeah. Subscribe, like the video.
That's our guy right there. That was sick. That was a pretty fun one.
Yeah, that was
Hey,
sick.
Blair, how many buttons do you think you clicked to get a video on YouTube?
Oh man, probably after the description and everything, a lot. Probably 60 clicks.
What you're saying is they can click one button, maybe two, right? Like,
Once or
subscribe.
twice. Like, subscribe, maybe even throw in a couple notes down below. Tell us if you want Jack to skimboard with us more often.
Winch session next.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Winch session coming.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, L'Oreal, man.
So
L'Oreal needs to sponsor this, guys. Dude, get some L'Oreal.
L'Oreal surf hair. What's that stuff called? Surf hair or something. This sunset's kind
I'll
of
go
cool.
to the shower to get the Aliso Creek water out of my ear.
Yeah, it's a good call. Ginger turmeric shots.
See you guys up here in a minute.
Yes, sir. All right. Bye. This is a sick sunset.
Look at this.
Yeah.